Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a crucial update for Discord users: how to log out all devices on PC. If you've ever wondered how to secure your account, this is a must-know process. Let's get started. First, open Discord on your PC. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, look for the gear icon at the bottom left of the screen. This is your user settings. Click on it to open up a whole new world of options. Now, in the Settings menu, scroll down and find the Devices section. This is where you can see all the devices currently connected to your Discord account. Here's the important part. Click on Log Out All Known Devices. This will ensure that any device that has accessed your account in the past will be logged out, keeping your account secure. After you click that, a prompt will ask you to enter your password. This is an essential security step to make sure it's really you making this request. Type in your password carefully, then move on to the next step. Finally, click on Next. And just like that, you've logged out all devices. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can secure your Discord account and make sure that no one else has access to your chats or information. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Stay safe out there.